Hello guys, today we're going to show you how we propagate our sensation plant. What we need, we have to chop this. We just have to chop this into pieces, and as long as there are roots, that's what we need to grow another sensation plant. Let's do it. Today marks the 4th week of my sensation propagation, so basically 1 month. As you can see, there are some little sprouts here, this one and that one. So let's wait for a couple of weeks, let's see if they will grow bigger. So this is my second propagation using that method, and the first one I will show you the result. This was done 6 months ago. So that's it. See you next week. So guys, here's what happened to the chips, root chips, after a month. So as you can see, there are 2 new sensation plant grows from 1 root chip. Then we can get this and then plant this root chip again, and this will produce another sensation plant. The good thing about root chips is that we can have many new sensation plant. So if we will get this, it will look like this. So this is good for planting, and this will grow. So this is 1 month sensation.